Since the last update, we've been trying to stay busy on the Little Shadow, doing some exhaust repair and modifications. This video will detail some of what we had to do to get the exhaust system back into shape using only parts that we had lying around the shop. Here we're using some of the stock exhaust system that I removed from my 300C several years ago. After we remove these hangers, we should have enough tubing and bends to fabricate some new downpipes for the Shadow. The downpipes that were on it were made of mild steel and were rusted out too badly to reuse. This factory tubing is actually a low grade stainless, I believe, and should hold up much better. We can also reuse these nice hangers. Here's the downpipe we fabricated for the rear bank of cylinders. And we were able to use this flange and flex joint from the 300C exhaust system to make our downpipe for the front bank of cylinders. Years ago, TG modified two rear manifolds in order to have a more balanced exhaust system. Those modifications have held up extremely well. Here's the modified rear manifold that's used on the front with part of the fabricated crossover pipe. Now on to the muffler.
Anyway, pipes, muffler, they call it the accelerator. It's an X in the muffler, okay?
2 in, 2 out.
And pretty simple for my little V6 engine. Anyway, it wasn't packed. It's supposed to be packed with glass fiber. So years ago, what I did was I just cut open the pocket here and I packed it with fiberglass. It sounded real good for a while, but didn't last long. So today we're kind of rebuilding the exhaust system. We're going to cut it open again. We're going to pack it with rock wool with a temperature rating of 2,000 degrees. It won't burn until it reaches 2,000 degrees, so it should hold up and last well in a month.
That should be good.
Can you hold it?
Yeah. It's pretty tough, ain't it?
It is.
There you go. You can get in there. That's good. I think that's enough.
Yeah, okay.
As you can see, this is all that's left of the fiberglass packing. Now let's stuff it full of this rock wool. I know this looks like fiberglass, but trust me, it's not. This stuff is used to insulate fireplaces and furnaces, and hopefully will stay in the muffler quite a bit longer than the fiberglass did. And here she is, all welded back up. Here's the converters, X-muffler, and side pipes as a complete assembly. Hopefully in the next video, we'll be able to fire it up and see how it sounds.